I feel like causing a flood around here. I want to invite my friends over as a party. Perfect. Now all we need to do now is just wait for 5 minutes.
After waiting for 5 minutes.
Alright. 5 minutes on my watch. Yes. My dream of flooding has come.
Grace. Look. What is it, Dina? Grace. I saw Danny making a flood.
Wow. How'd you get here quickly?
We swam.
By flood.
Ha 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 ha.
Where am I hearing all this laughter from, doll dummy?
Beats me, Grace. I'm not sure Dina knows either. Do you, Dina? Dina?
Doll dummy. I just want to eat my favorite cereal, Cocoa Pops.
Okay. I'll leave you alone.